When you need to easily monitor your flow measurements and data log events over time, the logging feature on the F103 is the perfect tool for you. Events such as clearing of totals, changed menu settings, or factory reset can be logged. In this tutorial, we will show you how to view the event logs on the F103 Flow Logger and Totalizer. The logs mentioned in this tutorial are examples. You may see other events when you check your event logs. Let's take a look at how this works. Hold the Clear button for 3 seconds. The Data Log menu appears. Use Clear and Select to toggle between interval, daily, or events logs. Please select the event log by pressing Prog. You will see the last log with a sequence number, date, and timestamp. The most recent log is indicated with a flashing arrow pointing down. Use Clear and Select to navigate through the available logs. In this example, we'll go to the first log. Press Prog to enter the first log. The first example event shows a reset to factory defaults. Press Prog to exit this log. The second example event shows a restart, for example, after a power outage or a restart with remote configuration tool. Press Prog to exit this log. The third example event shows a hardware initialization error. Please contact our tech support. Press Prog to exit this log. The fourth example event shows a cleared total, manually or with a remote control input. Press Prog to exit this log. The fifth example event shows a variable change via the configuration menu. Use Clear and Select to toggle between the specific log data. B Regno corresponds with the displayed Modbus register. C Old shows the previous setting. D New shows the current setting. Press Prog to exit this log. The last example event shows a variable change via Modbus communication. Use Clear and Select to toggle between the specific log data. B Regno corresponds with the displayed Modbus register. C Old shows the previous setting. D New shows the current setting. Press Prog to exit this log. Hold Prog for 3 seconds to exit the data log menu and return to run mode. That is all it takes to check event logs at the F103 Weatherproof Flow Logger Totalizer. The user-friendly F103 is designed and developed with only one focus in mind. Your success counts.